Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, July 25th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full down analysis. So the US dollar yen just keeps on pushing down. I think it pretty well confirmed at this point the wave 5 is over. I've been looking for shorts on the dollar yen for at least a week now, anyways, but we really didn't have any confirmation that the move wave 5 was over until recently, in my opinion. So, taking it down to the weekly time frame, we definitely do have some breaks of structure on these higher time frames now. We definitely do have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shape. Looks like the wave 5 is over. Looks like at this point, I would say it's going to eventually go down and take out this low of wave 4, because that's what happens at the end of a wave 5, is eventually it will make its way down. Probably a pretty strong downtrend for probably a wave 1 or possibly a wave A, which most likely will take out the low of wave 4. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, this is definitely all one big downtrend, and the most recent starts is way back here, which tells me that even if it does start a move to the downside, it's almost definitely just going to be a crescent to the last wave of the trend, and we're almost definitely going to see some more movement to the downside. So ever since we had that break of structure way back here when the JPY did the intervention way back there several weeks ago, I would have been looking for shorts on shorter time frames ever since then. So taking it right down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, our most recent structure level is way up here, which tells me that even if it does start a move to the upside, I would put really good money on the fact that that move would only be a crescent to this last wave down. So I personally am definitely still looking for short entries at the end of every pullback I see on the shorter time frames. Taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, definitely looks like we're going to go up and get a break of structure on the 1 hour, which to me would probably prove that this whole trend from here to here is over. If it does break that and you are a short time frame trader, you could probably go long. I am not a short time frame trader, so what I'll be doing is patiently waiting for more sorting opportunities at the end of more ABC crescents for the continuation of the downtrend. Based on what I see on the much higher time frames, I really do expect that this move right here that we're going to get is probably nothing more than a crescent to this last push down. So I definitely think that you should still primarily focus on going short at the end of every pullback you see. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.